In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a project, tracking tasks, or collecting data, Smartsheet is a powerful tool to help you stay organized and efficient. Let's dive in and set it up step by step. First, log into Smartsheet. Once you're in, you'll find a plus create button on the left panel. Click on that to get started. This is where the magic begins. You'll be presented with different options, but let's stick with the grid view. This choice is ideal for tasks, tracking, or data collection. Essentially, it's a blank canvas ready for you to input all your crucial data. Upon creation, the sheet will be in a new workspace. This is where you can name your sheet. Make sure the title reflects the purpose of your sheet clearly. Something like Project Tracker or Task List could work well. Naming things appropriately will help you and your team find the sheet easily in the future. Now onto the columns. In Smartsheet, the columns act like fields in a database. Each column can be tailored to fit your needs, such as task name set as text, number, assigned to as a contact list, start date, and end date as date fields, and so on. You can even set up a status column with a drop down for options like not started, in progress, or complete, and a percent complete column to track task progress. To customize a column, right click at the top of the column header and select Edit Column Properties. This functionality allows you to rename the column, choose the type, and even define drop-down options if needed. With columns set up, you can start entering data such as specific tasks, assigned names, due dates, and more. This step is straightforward and feels much like filling out a traditional spreadsheet. You might also want to create a hierarchy within your tasks for better organization. If so, right-click and choose Indent Row to establish parent/child relationships between tasks. This indentation can significantly enhance clarity, especially in more complex projects. Once your data is in, Smartsheet offers different views to help you manage it more effectively. Switch to Gantt view for visualizing project timelines, which is particularly helpful for overseeing deadline-driven projects. If you prefer a more agile method, use card view to create Kanban-style task boards. Alternatively, there's calendar view for those who want a date-focused perspective. To automate some of your processes, explore the automation section. Here you can set up workflows to streamline tasks, so you spend less time on manual entries and follow-ups. Finally, when your Smartsheet is ready to be shared, click the share button located at the top right to invite others to collaborate. You can send invites via email directly from Smartsheet, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create a Smartsheet that is customized to your project's needs, ensuring your team can track and manage tasks effectively.